Hello dear students, I am Prateek sir, Mathematics faculty of class 8, Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Today I am explaining you some questions which are related to the chapter squares and square roots. See, question number 1 is, without adding, find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Here you can see these given numbers are consecutive 6 odd numbers. Whenever consecutive odd numbers are given, we have to see how many odd numbers are there. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 odd numbers are given. So we will do the square of 6. 6 ka square 36. In general addition also we will find that the sum of all these numbers will come 36 only. But we will not do like that. We will see that this is making a property here. Sum of consecutive odd numbers. 6 odd numbers are there. We will do square of 6, that is equals to 36. Suppose if there are 8 consecutive odd numbers, we will do square of 8, that will be equals to 64. Similarly, like this. Next, express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Similarly, express 121 as the sum of odd numbers. 49, we know 49 is the square of 7. It means 49 will be equal to the sum of first 7 consecutive odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. 121, we know it is a square of 11. So 121 will be the sum of first 11 consecutive odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. Next question, how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? Whenever there are consecutive natural numbers given, and when we have to find out the numbers between the squares of that numbers, here you can see 12 and 13, these are two consecutive natural numbers, and we have to find out that how many numbers lie between the square of 12 and square of 13. So there is a rule to add both the consecutive natural numbers and subtract 1 from it. So 12 plus 13, 25, minus 1 equals to 24. It means 24 numbers will lie between the squares of 12 and 13. Let us check. 12 ka square 144, 13 ka square 169. Between 144 and 169, if we count, we will get 144, 145, 146 till 168. There will be 24 numbers between 144 and 169. This is how we can check also, but this is the rule to calculate. Next question, what will be the units digit of the squares of the following numbers? 272 ka square, we don't have to do fully 272 multiplied by 272, not like this. We have to just calculate the units digit of the square of these following numbers. So we will just pick up the units digit, ones digit, that is 2. 2 ka square 4, 4 is a single digit number, so the units digit of the square of 272 will be 4 only. Now square, we have to find out the units digit of square of 52698. We will pick up the units digit only, that is 8. 8 ka square 64. 64 is a 2-digit number. We will just take the units place, that is 4. So the units digit of square of 52,698 will be 4 only. See one more example. Square of 2637. We have to find out the units digit of square of 2637. We will pick up the units digit only, that is 7. 7 ka square 49. 49 is a 2-digit number. We will just take the ones place, units place, that is 9. It means 9 will be the units digit of the square of 2637. Thank you.